Inspection is a part of the oil and gas industry, ensuring operational continuity. Inspections are required on a regular basis, for all assets like jetties, pipelines, flare stacks and storage tanks. We are here to help. Our drones and operational procedures remove the risk of inspection at height, making it safer, easier and faster. To excel above other drones, we achieve navigation and control without magnetic compass or GPS inputs. This allows us to fly where other drones cannot. We build it robust, able to withstand impact, to see what needs to be seen. And we build it small, to go where no drones have gone before.
We believe that Performance Rotors have drone technologies in place that allows us to inspect the tanks with Performance Rotors much more quickly with less amount of preparation time required, which means that we don't have to take the tank offline for too long, and the customer is able to receive the tank for service much faster than what you would normally do with manual inspections.